Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Star Alliance application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And at the unit preferences section, click on the notification settings button. And as you can see, these are the notifications that you can enable. So just click on the white circle next to those that you want. And once it turns yellow and you click on the update button, it means that the notifications are set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.